Hello, this is Darcy from Guelph Public Library, and I'm here to talk a little bit about our subscription databases, in particular ProQuest. Earlier, we had talked about our newspapers in kind of a broad sense. So now I want to actually give you a sense of what they're actually kind of like. So I'm going to share my screen here, and I'm going to go to our website. So this is our home page here. You'll want to scroll down to online resources. So we'll click on online resources. And then you'll want to also find our genealogy local history area. So we have a number of our databases listed in terms of that broad topic. ProQuest, you'll see, is already located near the bottom. You will probably be prompted for a library card at some point. Since I'm internal, it won't prompt me for a library card. So I'm going to click on ProQuest. Immediately, I jump right into the database, and it gives me a few options. I want to use selected databases, so I'm not going to unselect any of them. So I'm going to click on this. Now I want to go to publications rather than doing a search from here. I'm going to go to publications, and I want to actually do a search for all Guelph newspapers. Since I know that many Guelph newspapers actually have the word Guelph in the title, I'm kind of fortunate that way. It should pick up all the newspapers with that have been indexed in this database with the word Guelph. So I'm going to click on search. Automatically it gives me 4 publications. You will see here there's a bit of a synopsis. So it gives you kind of the coverage range. It also gives you a little bit of the title and history of the actual paper. So we have the Guelph Mercury, we have the Tribune, we also have the Guelph Mercury Tribune. So I'm going to click on the Guelph Mercury. And automatically it directs me to another search interface. And from here, I can actually search within the publication. So I'm going to search for John Snell. He was a former chief librarian at Guelph Public Library. I'm going to put his name in quotation marks because I want those 2 words to be searched relatively close together. And then I'm going to click on the search button. And from here, you can see a list of results, about 8 that it's pulled from its index. So I'm going to click on longtime chief librarian John Jack Snell, 97, Transform Public Library. So I'm going to click on that article. Right away, it gives me an abstract. It also gives me the full text, as you can see here below. If I'm interested, I can actually save this as a PDF. So I can click on this button here, and it will generate a PDF document for me, which, depending on your web browser, you'll see here at the usually on the top right-hand corner. It should just take a moment for it to pop up. There's the document here. I can click and open. I can also cite the document. So if I'm interested, I can then select cite, and I can choose the citation that I wish to use. I don't have to use APA. I can also email the document to myself or to someone else. So I click on the email function, put in the email address and my name and email it, or I can actually print the file off if I want to using the print function. And we have printers here at the Guelph Public Library that you can use if you want to print a document off. We do usually charge about 15 cents a page. So I hope that is helpful and gives you some idea of what it is to use ProQuest. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach us at our number 519-824-6220, or you can text us at our Mozilla chat connection, or you can email me at dheltz@guelphpl.ca.